Now, one tragedy to the other. This is with regards to a self-immolation incident that's come to light from Balasore in Odisha. Now, Odisha Chief Minister's first response on the Balasore horror. Chief Minister Mohan has come out to say, and I quote, next 24 hours crucial for the victim. Probe is underway by relevant team. Serious action will be taken against those guilty. Victim is being treated with utmost care. Student immolated self after harassment. Remember, she is in fact currently in the AIIMS hospital, admitted there in critical condition. Let's quickly first take a look at what Mohan Charan Manji had to say on the entire matter before we proceed.
अगले 24 घंटे के लिए वो बहुत क्रिटिकल मोमेंट है। जब कोई इम्प्रूव थोड़ा सा भी करेगा तो हम उसको एयरलिफ्ट भी करा सकते हैं दिल्ली एम्स के लिए। तो जो घटना घटी है उसी आधार पर तो अभी इंक्वायरी टीम इंक्वायरी शुरू कर दिए। वहाँ इंक्वायरी का रिपोर्ट जो आएगा निश्चित रूप से सरकार गंभीर रूप से उसको ले रहे हैं। अगले दिन में भी हम अगले ऐसे कोई घटना कोई कॉलेज में भी नहीं घटे, इसी आधार पर हमने एक सरकार के स्तर पर हम निश्चित भाव में निष्पत्ति हम लेंगे। सारी प्रशासन के साथ हमने उनके फैमिली के साथ पेशेंट के साथ हम खड़ा हुई है। निश्चित रूप से हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी को निश्चित रूप से वो उनका चिकित्सा में थोड़ा सुधार आए।
Now, Anupam Mishra joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Anupam, a very good evening to you. This is the first response we see coming in from the Odisha Chief Minister himself. He's firstly said that it is critical, the next 24 hours, for the very victim, as she is currently under critical care. But more importantly, what will happen, what awaits for those who are guilty, one of who has been arrested, the other one, the principal of the very college, being suspended. What more are you picking up?
Well, yes, after so many political allegations and political uproar over Chief Minister is silent over the issue, Chief Minister has said about this thing. And you know, former Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has also posted it on Twitter and labeled serious allegations. He said that she was allegedly subjected to relentless sexual harassment by a teacher who repeatedly demanded sexual favors. In a letter to the principal, she revealed that she had earlier attempted suicide but was saved. For months, she lived in fear and anguish. On July 1, in a desperate plea for help, she posted her grievances on social media, tagging several top officials, but with no action forthcoming, she tragically resorted to setting herself on fire. So these are the very serious allegations which are coming up from very senior people, from former Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. On the other hand, other political parties like TMC also slamming Odisha government for this tragedy. And right now, the main focus is to the treatment of the victim girl who is critically injured and admitted in hospital. On the other hand, this whole issue is an eye opener that how the system is taking advantage and few people are taking advantage of the system. So these whole things should be re-examined. A high level committee has been formed to investigate the matter. Not only this girl, it has to investigate whether there are more girls suffering from these kind of things or not. These are the serious allegations which are coming up at present.
Right, Anupam, thank you for bringing us all those details. With that, viewers, let's quickly take you through the entire case as to what all happened. A shocking case of institutional apathy, harassment has come to light from Balasore, Odisha, where a young female undergraduate student attempted to set herself on fire outside her college. Now, the incident took place at the FM Autonomous College, where a student had accused the HOD Samir Sahu of mental harassment and demanding sexual favors. Now, after her complaints were allegedly ignored, she returned on Saturday, poured petrol on herself near the college gate and set herself ablaze while she was carrying 15,000 rupees in cash. Now, another student who tried to save her was also injured in the very process. The victim suffered over 90% burns and is now in critical condition at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Balasore SP Raj Prasad has confirmed that the HOD Samir Sahu has been arrested, questioned as well as produced before the court. College principal Dilip Kumar Ghosh has also been suspended by the state's higher education department. Now, there is war of words that's already erupting over the same, with the TMC especially attacking the BJP at this given point in the state as to why and how such a case could have taken place under their watch. And the police is investigating the alleged financial coercion, the role of other faculty, and possible administrative cover-up as well. Now, meanwhile, despite being under fire for the IIM Calcutta rape incident and rising crimes against women in Bengal, the TMC has in fact come out to up their ante against the BJP over this incident. And what they've claimed is that BJP's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is indeed a farce. That is what we are picking up at this given point in this very story.
इंटरनल्स कंप्लेंट कमेटी का फॉल्ट है कि और सीनियर अथॉरिटी का फॉल्ट है कि इंटरनल्स कंप्लेंट कमेटी बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनएक्सपीरियंस थी इसको करने में। हम हर तरीके से उसको देख रहे हैं। हम लोग एक बहुत ही जल्दी कंक्लूजन पे पहुंचेंगे। अभी तक जो प्राइमा फेसी एक्यूज टीचर हैं उनको अरेस्ट करके कोर्ट फॉरवर्ड कर दिया गया है।
जब वो लड़की तो एक कंप्लेंट किया था रिलेटेड टू इसका जो टीचर के अगेंस्ट में, इसलिए हमारे कमेटी गठन हुआ था। और कमेटी तो 15 डेज टाइम दिया था, वो 7-8 दिन के बाद वो रिपोर्ट दे दिया गया है। लड़की तो आया था मेरा कमरा में, लेकिन इसको मैं समझाया जे तुम वेट करो, हम आपको रिपोर्ट भी भेजें क्या क्या है, ऐसे कुछ। इसके थोड़ा देर बाद फिर 15-20 मिनट के बाद वो तो कोशिश किया यहाँ पर सुसाइड अटेम्प्ट किया। पेट्रोल का डब्बा, एक बोतल में पेट्रोल था, इसे कुछ था यहाँ पे, इसको अटेम्प्ट लिया।
ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट मामला है। इसको बहुत सेंसिटिव तरीके से हम डील कर रहे हैं। पहले हम जो एक्यूज थे उसको सस्पेंड किया गया, HOD थे। हाई लेवल कमेटी का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है, डायरेक्टर उसको चेयर कर रहे हैं। 2 महिला सीनियर ऑफिसर और एकेडमिशियन उसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं। और आज जो टीम भुवनेश्वर से सरजमीन इंक्वायरी करने के लिए रवाना हो चुकी है। हम आशा करते हैं कि वो टीम का फाइंडिंग्स आने के बाद जो सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई हो सके वो लिया जाएगा।
It's an appeal to the government. Do your best. Try to save a precious life of a girl child. You are talking too much. बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बढ़ाओ का बारे हम लोग बोलते हैं, मगर अभी टाइम है उनके बारे कुछ करने के लिए। दिस इज द टाइम. We have to help the family. We have to see that the girl survives. We have to see that such incidents are not taking place again. So we want that the government to step forward. The home is in charge of, the home department is in the hands of Honorable Chief Minister. Stringent measures should be taken. And the principal and many other principals who are like him, they should not take violence against women in such a light spirit. No, it is not acceptable.
मैं सारा इंक्वायरी में मुझे बहुत त्रुटि मेरा सामने आया। मैं देखा कि इंक्वायरी ठीक ढंग से नहीं चलता है और इंक्वायरी मोटा मोटी समीर बाबू को प्रोटेक्शन देने के लिए, उनका महिमा गान करने के लिए अपना सारा शक्ति को समर्पित कर दिया। और इसलिए मैंने उनका दृष्टि आकर्षण कर दिया। पूरा तदंत कमेटी को बोला, आपका जो इंक्वायरी ये बिल्कुल वायस्ड है, वी हैव नॉट एनालाइज्ड द केस प्रॉपर्ली। और उन्होंने जो रिपोर्ट में जो लिखा वो बाप बेटी दोनों का स्टेटमेंट से बिल्कुल मेल नहीं खाता है, बिल्कुल अनमैच। मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ कि इतना बड़ा बड़ा आदमी, अध्यापक अध्यापिका ये ऐसा करते हैं।
When a girl has approached to the principal and HOD about the continuous harassment by his own teacher, by her own teacher, why there was no inquiry? Why the teacher was not punished? Why no action was taken against the concerned teacher? When she decided to finish her, to kill her, to immolate her, because she didn't got justice from any quarter. That is why she decided to immolate her. This is a warning to the state government. Every day, everywhere, not a single district left where the women are not being harassed.